Under the initiative of the Manu RD Block, mini tractors were distributed to local farmers under the submission on Agricultural Mechanization scheme during a ceremony held at the Chailengta Hall under the Chawmanu Agricultural Sub-Division on Monday. The event was attended by Mandal President Sanjit Dabarma, Block Vice Chairman Pranay Dabarma, Chawmanu Agricultural Sub-Division Superintendent Jyotimoy Chakma and others.
Chini Agricultural Sub-Division Chailengta Hall Agriculture Officer, Sub-Division Agriculture Officer, Chini Rajya Sarkar Ningwe, Chini Sub-Division of Pride of Sub-Bista, mini tractor, Chini Krishok Dara Tome, Krishok Bino, Bongi Yabot Seri. The new program of the Manu RD Block Vice Chairman from the Bromo, Superintendent, the Jarachini Krishok Jara Pinetini, Pro Balano Katong Tozaka, Karon Chini Krishok Mungachini, Balbursoni, Proton Seni, Karon Boni Mataman Chini Meredondo, Avon Naharino Chini, Manu Montri, Rotom Lalna, Manu Mukhu Montri, Professor Dr. Manisha, Roti Niho the Krishok Rote Bage, aggressive Nebus Kang Baga Gugu Payment, Avon Naharino. Chini long travel subdivision Manu RD Block Chini Manu RD Block ni madhyame 24 টা beneficiary কৃষক আছে ইয়াপটা
Reported by Kiran from Long Trevally, Chini Khorang.